What's up? Andrew Pawlak here, co-founder, CEO at leadPops.com. Doing another Dartboard marketing video to talk to you about open houses. They're a great opportunity for loan officers to meet buyers, right? Home buyers, potential sellers who are going to be future home buyers, get to know realtors a little bit better in person. I know COVID has changed things up a little bit, and especially in certain parts of the country where some of these have gone virtual. That's another topic for another video. But open houses in real life still do create a great opportunity to engage with clients, to create leads for your business. And there's really cool things you can do with lead funnels to further the opportunities that open houses create. So one of the things that clients have had a lot of success with is the idea of having like an iPad at the open house with a lead funnel that presents a interactive, real-time pre-qualification, pre-approval, know exactly what you can afford type of opportunity for home buyers that are coming in, looking at houses. Sometimes they like the house. They're not quite sure if it's in their budget, different things that you can do, as a advisor and have ready at hand with a tablet that you can now present to that home buyer as an opportunity to say, hey, it's 60 seconds. I can even text you a link. You can do it on your phone. It's going to ask you some real basic questions, and that's going to kick off the process of getting you pre-approved. There's no obligation. It's not a social security number. I'm not even pulling credit at this stage of the conversation. Just some basic questions to kind of get to know you and kind of see what your situation is, and then we can take it from there, right? So, just taking them from a wandering person walking through an open house into an engaged client potentially and giving them something interactive to work with is a great opportunity. And that lead funnel creates exactly that. It goes through a series of questions. It asks the same questions you would ask in an interactive, intuitive kind of way, just to create an experience for that potential client and make them feel like they're going and they're getting somewhere with that process. And it's not a loan application. We're not asking you to apply for a mortgage right here, right now. But first step is really know what you can afford. And what you do is you get a pre-approval letter. And when you do find something you like, you are a much stronger home buyer when you've got a pre-approval letter than you would be if you haven't even started that process yet. So if you find something you like, you're able to make an offer. A seller is going to take you a lot more seriously, and you're going to jump ahead of all these other home buyers. So as a loan officer, typically you know how to have that part of the conversation. But what we're trying to introduce here with this idea for you is how to get the most out of these open houses. Use a lead funnel to create that experience for that home buyer, collect that information, make it more interactive and more intuitive, make it mobile friendly, not just some like sign-in sheet sitting on a clipboard on a table, right? The tablet can be used. I've even seen it with some clients using like one of those stations or a mounted, like a payment, processor situation at a restaurant. You can have a tablet that's locked in doing that same kind of thing. You could do it in person, or again, you could do something like texting them a link directly to that lead funnel that starts that process. Or even a QR code that could be on the flyers at the open house or on a sign at that open house saying, hey, get a pre-approval letter, absolutely free, no obligation. It only takes 60 seconds to get started. Scan this code. That scannable code then takes them directly to a funnel dedicated to that home listing and that open house pre-approval, which you could then track back to that specific open house. Lots of cool ways and creative ways you can use tech to make open houses really work for you in 2021 and beyond, besides just the old school sign-in sheet. So hope that was helpful. Hope it got you some really good ideas. If you like these topics, if you want to hear more about this, if you want to talk to our team, there's a link in the description. Book a time with our team. We're going to be able to help you out, talk to you about open houses and all kinds of other opportunities to use lead funnels to grow your business. Thanks for watching the video. We'll catch you soon with another one.